All the puppies are waiting because it is treasure hunt time! All right, Britt, it's what's going on now?
It's Shadow's birthday cake time.
Ah, yes.
Big one today.
Oh my goodness, happy birthday, Shadow, the big 1-year-old. Think we should do some magic to get this cake here, all right? Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, what a beautiful cake for a beautiful dog. All right, let's invite the dogs in. You.
Shadow.
Good girl, Shadow. Oh my goodness, happy birthday, Shadow.
Shadow, it's your birthday.
Oh, you are loving that. Good dogs. Good dogs. Oh, yes.
Oh, the big one.
Get it, little girl.
Yay.
What are you doing, Ray? What are you doing, Ray? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, dogs. Who would have thought? Dogs everywhere. Just had a fun little rip on the motorbike. I haven't been riding like that for a little while, so that was fun. But yeah, some of the other dogs that like to go a little bit faster are now absolutely spent. That was really cool. Frankie was absolutely loving it. He was doing some scrub-a-dub-dubs. So that was really fun to watch. At one point I was going over a bit of a jump, coming down, and I looked over next to me and there's Frankie flying through the air. It was really cool. Huzzah!
Hi, my name's Alana. I love science. We're going to do a little investigation. The dogs are down at the dam, down there. I'm going to jump on this motorbike and see how long it takes them to get here. See where they meet me when I fire it up and quickly ride down there. Let's see. This is how much they love it. They're all having a great time. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're having a great time. Here I go. Caught him napping because I never get that far. Lucky buddy.
Alright, we're walking out to the big ball. Brittany's forwards walking, I'm backwards walking.
I don't have bad knees yet.
Brittany's a lot younger than us old folks, so you know, good for her. But we're gonna split the dogs up into two groups. This will be group one.
They're all already waiting anyways.
Yeah, there are Jimmy, Jerry, Loops. So yeah, and then we'll get into the action. Woo. For these dogs.
They kept it in the dam the whole time.
Did really, really well. Loops, Jimmy, Jerry, Pippa.
Bit of mocha.
Bit of mocha.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get this one away and bring out group two. Alright, we got the second group. Group one went really well. Let's see how group two goes. We've kept Loopy out here because she's really, really good at it. She knows that she's trying to keep the ball in the water. Britt is onto it. You here, buddy? Good job. Good job.
just gonna have a little chat about Pip. Pip's such a cool little dog. She's always over on the outside running circles around all the other dogs. She really likes to round them up and keep everything going around the outside. She likes her knackers are very similar in that way. They're always out there doing things, but not always spotlight there in the middle of the dogs. So yeah, Pip is a really cool dog to have. She's super fun and super loving, and she loves her food, and so we just love having her. That's Pip.
Right, let's go. Swimming. Good girl, Pip. Big Mocha! Walter! Hey, Maxie! More importantly, back to Dogman, there's been some suggestions in the comments that you need to wear some underpants on the outside of your pants. Really? And a cape. And might
have to go buy some underpants. I've only got like boxer type ones.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I thought you meant you have to buy some underpants because you don't wear them, but...
No, I wear them. But they're like those ones that cut down here, you know?
Ah, yes, yes. They're too cool for those sorts of...
That'd probably be alright, wouldn't they? You don't have to do something.
Well, Dogman doesn't have to, you know, you don't have to bend to anyone's rules.
That's right.
You are Dogman, yeah. So...
I can make myself Dogman.
Do whatever you...
I thought I already had, but I didn't know I had to wear pants on the outside.
Underpants on the outside of your pants, yeah. And a cape. And
a fandangle hat, of course.
Oh, and some sort of Dogman hat.
Yeah. You might get a mask.
Alright. Thursday, Thoughtful Thursday.
Thoughtful Thursday.
Done and dusted. Bus is gone, bus dogs have gone.
Dogman's out.
Dogman out.
Backwards man.
Backwards man.
He's still here.
He's backwards.
Did some more backwards eating
well,
today.
Very, very intelligent from you.
Backwarding.
Yep. Yep. And you're supposed to be the smart one. Brittany! Yes. Favourite part of the day?
Big bowl, when all the dogs kept it in.
You did amazing, the dogs did amazing. Alana, favourite part of the day?
Oh, motorbike.
Ah, wicked.
Yes.
Good times, guys. The dogs are all just hanging.
I lie. My favourite time. I really had to think about that for a second. My favourite time was cake, of course.
That's true.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday to Shadow.
Shad, your little birthday girl, she's 1 year old.
Alright. Time to huzzah out of here.
Thanks for joining us. Thoughtful Thursday backwards.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Like, subscribe.
Toodaloo.
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 Hello.